You found the lamp? Grace, it's in there over there by the fish tank, I think. You found it, bitch. You didn't even look.
Foxy, get out my video, man. This for Megan and the bird. I'm putting her on Facebook.
Mama.
Yeah.
You rubbing him wrong.
Not work.
Supposed to rub him backwards.
Oh. Is that? Oh, that's why he turned this way.
You gotta rub him backwards. He like, bitch, rub me right. If you gonna rub me right.
No.
Nah, that's for the mark. Hey man, stop talking like that. I'm putting this on Facebook.
Oh yeah, please. Stop talking like that.
Let me get a square, Megan. Unless you scared to stop rubbing. This going on Facebook. Megan Rubin playing with the bird. That's
going
going
to tell you about playing with your birdie.
Right. Don't touch the birdie.
Birdie.
Why you look like you jacking his neck off?
Shut up. Shut up, Cece. She said it. She's.
And he like, bitch. He like, bitch.
He like, I'm out. Look. He like, she tripped. What? Okay. Okay.
He's just spoiled.
Right. You is a brat. What?
He is a brat. Spoiled
There.
fucking rotten.
Oh, Lord. Oh, his feather came out.
That's right.
He like, bitch, didn't nobody say you to stop.
Right. Don't play with me. You better rub it
He
right.
like, I'll beat your ass.
Right, rub it right. What?
Choke that chicken face.
Oh.
Don't stop. I didn't tell you to stop. He's so spoiled.
Right.
Well, no, we talking about the bird, man. This bird, like, likes to be touched.
We got birds.
We got them birds, nigga. Do you see? We got them birds for real.
We got them birds.
Oh, look. We got them birds, nigga.
Birds.
We got them birds.
Now I'm just playing them.
The money getting low.
Alright, I'm done.